Welcome to Rent 3D, where learning meets productivity. At Rent 3D, we help engineers and designers stay ahead with powerful tools like ProductivityNOW, our web-based learning platform tailored for CATIA V5, 3D experience, and Creo parametric users. Designers, engineers, and managers can access expert-led classes, step-by-step videos, searchable documentation, select the content or select the class, and enroll in classes anytime, anywhere. Using the search tool gives you access to the context, but now we are introducing something even smarter, the AI chat assistant. Built with Microsoft Azure's OpenAI, this tool helps you to find what you need instantly. Powered by ChatGPT 3.5 Turbo, and your experience is secured. All users share the same model deployment, but results are limited to content you are authorized to access. You can have step-by-step to-do things, or you can ask Pinnacle AI to help you structure a learning path about a certain topic. You can easily have the answers what you are asking for and go to the content. You can access the video content easily inside of the Chat AI. You can access the related videos and watch it from the pop-up browser, or you can click and go to the content to watch the all related videos. Don't forget, to get the best results, optimize your questions, be clear, specific, and conversational. The search tool gives you where you can find the answers, but being specific is important while using AI chat. There's a difference between a good question and vague. AI will provide the answers based on your library, but you need to specify the correct documentation. Thousands already trust ProductivityNOW to sharpen their skills and solve design challenges fast. Explore ProductivityNOW and try the new AI chat today.